I love you. I love you more.
I love you more than the snow in winter.
And I, my darling, more than the stars in the summer sky.
Do you remember the blizzard that year?
Like it was yesterday. You were so brave. Good morning, my dear.
Good morning. Good morning, Elsa.
Keep the door closed tight.
Now we have warmth.
Yes, for tonight. Tea is ready, Pavan. For our morning ritual, Elsa.
May it warm.
You're cold?
No, not with you.
Sip your tea, my love.
Time for a warm meal, my sweet chickens.
They're grateful, aren't they, Elsa?
We are lucky to have them.
I made this just for us.
Thank you, my dear.
The soup is ready. Thank you, my love. It smells wonderful. Do you remember this one, Pavan?
Of course, Elsa. Look how young we were.
You haven't danced with me in years.
I never stopped wanting to.
Remember that song?
Always.
Keep warm, my love.
We will. We will.
Good night, my dear.
Good night, my love.
Night, my
Night, my love.
Rest well, my dear. Did you hear that?
Yes, my dear. Pavan? Did you hear that?
Yes, Elsa. It's a cry for help.
I heard something.
Outside.
A wounded animal.
We must look. Together.
Together. Come on, you frozen devil.
Be careful, Pavan. Let me help.
It's giving way now.
Push together, quickly.
God!
Is that
I don't believe it. Oh, you poor thing. Don't worry, we will help you.
We'll take it inside. Quickly, Elsa. Keep it close to the fire.
Yes, that is right.
It will be safe here now. You're safe now, little one.
Oh, hold steady, Elsa. We'll warm him.
Open up, little one.
That's it, come on.
Just a little sip, it will warm you. Drink, little one. You're safe now. What heck?
Yes, drink, that's it. Keep going.
Keep warm, little one.
Oh. The cloth is hot now.
Good, good. You will be all right.
Drink, little one. It's warm.
Good, you're strong.
Yes, yes, yes.
Rest now. You are safe now, little one.
Ooh. The fire will keep you warm. We have one?
And there is another. Good.
Good. Soon we eat. Almost there.
Almost ready, Pavan. Looks good, Elsa.
But,
How's the pup? The tea is ready, Pavan.
Thank you, my dear.
Keep massaging.
It's working.
You are a fighter. Drink, my little one.
You are strong.
That's it. Yes, you are loved.
You are strong, my little friend.
Indeed, look how it grows. You got it. That's it. Keep going. Good job, little one. Look at that. Oh, he's so strong. Look at him, Pavan. So strong now.
He is, thanks to you, Elsa. He is part of our family now.
You kept us warm.
And you gave us strength.
For each other, Elsa. Here, little one.
Drink up, brave heart.
That's it. Yes.
He's getting stronger, Pavan. Welcome to the family.
Fun. You can do it. Good.
Yes, you're walking. Oh, thank God.
Here is your tea, my love.
Ah,
Perfect, my dear.
thank you.
And look, he stays so close.
You are so precious. He's like a member of the family.
Look at his fur, so soft.
That's it.
Here, Pavan, eat.
Thank you, Elsa. Look, he's hungry.
Come here, little one. It's okay. The storm has grown louder tonight. Huh?
Yes, but we are warm here. He sleeps well.
You are strong, little one. Come to me.
Yeah, look at him, Pavan. He's getting stronger.
That's it, that's it. Ah, the evening warmth.
Little one loves the scent.
Yes, our family is complete. You feel that warmth, little one?
Yes, he loves being with us.
Just like family.
Time to eat, little ones. Seems like they're waiting for the pup to join.
They're all safe now.
Yes, and the little one is fed.
Look at him walk.
Yes, he's growing so fast.
He belongs here now. Drink up, little one. That's a good boy.
He's stronger now.
The stew is good tonight.
It warms us well.
And our little friend, too.
He's getting stronger.
Good tales passed down through generations. It's a good tale, isn't it?
Indeed, my love.
You are strong, my little friend. Step.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, my brave one.
Good boy.
He stands, he walks. Look at him.
The tea is warm now, my dear.
Thank you, Elsa.
And he's grown so much. You make him feel loved. We're all family here.
keep warm, little ones. They look happy, don't they, Elsa? Like our pup.
They are safe.
The calf is waiting. He's growing so fast.
Yes, he is.
Look at him go.
Yes, he is.
He's found his home.
Drink, little one. It will make you strong.
That's it. You're doing well.
Here, my dear.
Just a little bit.
Look at him, he's getting stronger.
Yes, he is.
Our little one.
We hope.
Oh, he's doing it. Look at him go.
Here is the tea, my dear.
Thank you, my love.
He loves you.
And you?
You are very warm.
Yes, the warmest.
He loves your hand.
He feels safe here.
The wolves are eating well.
They always do when you feed them.
Whimper. Whimper.
Look at him go.
He's so small.
And so brave. He is family now.
Yes, he is.
Be well, little one.
They are gone, Pavin.
They will be free, Elsa. It is better this way. Goodbye, little one.
We'll miss you. Be safe.
They're gone.
I know, my love. They're truly gone.
Be strong, my dear, dear.
We have Bing Bing. You shouldn't cry anymore, my love.
I'm just so glad you're here.
Always. Together.
I thought I'd never feel this warmth again.
Me too, my love. Me too.